I ordered a grill for my 78 square body and it just arrived, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the box and see how it was shipped. Got some big staples holding it closed, although it was relatively easy to open up. Looks like a bunch of bubble wrap, a lot of bubble wrap. Cardboard packing on the inside. That's nice. Appears to be in a bag of some sort. Let's set it down here for a second. Get this big box out of the way. In the box there was more cardboard packing and a bunch of bubble wrap. Scoop that out of the way. So let's go. That's how I get it. Let's fold it over with some tape. Let's see what we got here. Bam. Okay. Oh, looks good. I don't see any problems with it. I was wondering if there was going to be a cutout for the, I don't have the cable pull for my truck hood, it's just a manual release. And the aftermarket grill I have on there is almost impossible to stick your hand in here and open it up, but this definitely came with the cutout for it. I went with all black because I'm doing satin black on the trim of the truck. Looks pretty nice. This grill was only, I think, $54. They wanted $169 for the one with the Chevy grill in the, or emblem in the middle, but I decided to go with the empty grill, basically because, well, it's like $110 cheaper. But I'll go ahead and get it on the truck and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I got the grill in. I'm still missing some pieces in the front of the truck. I mean, I have them, but they're either being painted or not installed yet. But I did get the grill in. It went in perfectly. I highly suggest buying the install kit that you can get on LMC Truck. Has the little plastic nuts. I think there's 6 of them. And the 6 screws to install the grill. They worked perfectly. And there's the cutout for the hood release. There's plenty of space to get my hand in there. It's cut out so the hood release goes up without hitting anything. Overall, I'd say it's probably the easiest thing I've installed in the truck that has caused me 0 headaches. But I think it'll look good, but we'll see when I get the rest of the parts on there.